Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today is going to be an extremely fast turbo stream, turbo mode. We're only going to have one ad break this time, probably. Okay, I need to, move quickly. We are going to try to get the dragon in the upgrade menu. That is the goal for the next, probably 40 minutes. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it. I have to lock in today. No guitaring allowed. We should probably try to avoid having to wait for that to load, because we're pretty low on time. But yeah, I want to have the dragon in the middle here. That is the goal, and then tomorrow we can refine and polish, and I hope I can have it done for the weekend. All right, let's start. So I'm just going to reuse the game dragon and make whatever necessary code adjustments to have it behave correctly within the upgrade menu. What's up, Dino? Welcome. Yeah, let me first see how we insert the dragon into the game normally. Initialize client. Notify player added. Dragon equals dragon scene. Dot duplicate true. Dot instantiate. World scene, dragon scene. Do we have a reference to this game script here in game data? Yeah, okay, we do. All right, in that case, let me go to the dragon menu. And we're going to have to update the preview every time. So, we're going to need a couple things here. Okay, I can probably make space for this to begin with. You can use a viewport container, sub viewport container. Insert a viewport. And I think I'm going to make the size. I mean, 512 by 512 is probably fine. Just adjust whatever settings I need to adjust here. I don't know what stretch does. Maybe the settings are in here. Oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, we might actually want this to be more like 128 by 128. 256. Oh god. Okay, we can have that as like a maximum size. What if I just add the dragon in here really quick? 256 is a number. A lot of people are saying that. Nod sagely. Most people don't know this. Oh, interesting. We're still getting like the little indicators. Wait, what? All selected canvas items are either invisible or locked in some way and can't be transformed. Another Node 2D? With the secret here? It's just not letting me move it. Unless I move it through here, of course. We don't have any of the parts visible yet. Okay. Can I center the camera? Wait, I can add a camera. Gotta remember that. Think I can. Render target, clear mode always. World 3D. Label 3D. Rendering. So many settings. So it doesn't seem like it's using the camera yet. Make sub viewport. Use camera. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly or not. Okay, it's only been 6 minutes. We're making good progress so far. Oh God, I need to figure this out. Should I put it in this? I don't see that making any difference. I feel like it would be rendering if there was a setting in here where I could specify the camera. Oh, own world 3D? What the hell? The AI was wrong! The AI overview was wrong! No way. Do I have to give it a world? Here. You now have a world. Congratulations. Doesn't work. What the hell? Been like 30 minutes thinking collisions weren't working when they were. Yeah, there's a lot of variables. When using a camera 3D or camera 2D, will always display on the closest parent viewport going towards the root. Okay. Is this camera just not doing anything? Maybe it'll do something once I start the game. Trivago ad, Adidas now? Oh my, wait, it ran a second ad break. Oh, that's BS. I tried to run one ad break, but I forgot the auto ad whatever manager was running another one. Comcast. Taco Bell. That's a good one. All right, I'm gonna use drag center. I'm gonna put the drag in at 0, 0. Drag center. Enabled. Yes, yes, please. And I'm going to run the project and see what happens. Progressive. How many insurance ads can you get? Oh, geez. I don't know if anything actually happened there or not. On ready bar on the other side. Cricket, I ran an ad break at the beginning so I could get that ad break out of the way, but the auto ad manager just ran another one anyways, so I guess I'm gonna be rich now. I guess I just made $1 billion. No, but you have to buy all of those products and services. The ads, they must have been very convincing, of course, right? I just discovered that you can stack ad time. Stack ad time. Does that mean just running one ad after another? Stack ad time. You have 2 ads that we could have like a split screen. If you front load the stream with ads, you get longer uninterrupted time. Oh. I didn't know that. I thought it was capped at an hour. I thought it was capped at an hour with pre-streams off. Maybe they changed it. If so, I'm gonna run 80 billion ads at the beginning of every stream now. I'm gonna hack the system. Oh my god, that is a long node path. You just have to wait a few minutes after each ad roll. Oh, I see. I will have to look into that. In an hour, you can have like 6 hours of uninterrupted time if you time it right. That does sound OP. This is helpful information. I could have like an hour-long pre-stream where I just run ads. Like, making the stream good. Hold on, just give me an hour. Only danger is getting disconnected. Means it all resets. Yeah. Oh, God. It's interesting, because when you do have, like, connectivity issues, and, like, the stream disconnects, it is, like, a massive pain in the ass. But then, like, you know, a couple days later, everything will be fine, and you'll just, like, forget about it, and then it'll happen again. It's like a vicious cycle. For me at least, it happens just infrequently enough to where I don't feel the need to do anything about it. But I guess there's not much I can do about it, really. Okay, I need something to recreate the preview, I think. Function recreate preview. Bar dragon equals game data dot game dot dragon scene dot instantiate. And then what do we do here? What else do we do to initialize the dragon? My old ISP throttled Twitch upload, so I found a way around it by using Restream. Oh. I see. I do not know what an ISP is. International Security Protocol. Identification something protocol. But I assume that you're getting some sort of benefit from using Restream in terms of like the upload speed. Do you favor inheritance or composition? I guess it depends on what I'm trying to do. Like inheritance hierarchies and like a component system, both of those can be useful in different contexts. Like I can imagine using like a mixed approach. Puts on judging cap. Yeah, right. What do you think of Big O? What is the best O? Stares intensely. Which O is the best O? Recreate Snake in under an hour. Okay, so it's duplicating the scene, then instantiating it. What the hell? Okay, we can do that. Dragon.player equals ID. If ID equals multiplayer, get unique ID. Game data.local dragon equals dragon. Oh, I'm gonna have to set the local dragon. Dragon.name equals dragon plus string ID. Add child dragon. ID equals multiplayer, get unique ID. Is there anything else we do here? Okay, maybe not. Perhaps not. A lot of the big O stuff goes out the window with modern SIMD. Let me look up what that means. Hold on. Single instruction. Multiple data. It's a type of parallel computing in Flynn's Breaking Bad reference taxonomy. Sim describes computers with multiple processing elements that perform the same operation on multiple data points simultaneously. Single instruction, multiple data. Okay. Maybe I can just interpret that as like multi-threading, where the different data is the different threads. That's true, though. Multi-threading does take care of a lot of that. Although if you have like O8 or whatever the biggest O, the worst O, then, you know, I guess it could still cause problems. But it alleviates it. We need a CPU with like 80 billion cores. Can someone start making that? Can we get someone on that? As I grasp it, modern CPUs are real good at being asked to do the same thing over and over. Yeah. That makes sense. Oh, we need to keep track of the dragon preview, or the preview dragon, I should say. I was trying to do this approach before with like a difference between game dragon and display dragon, but that would have just caused like a horrific amount of repetition. So I'm gonna try and integrate it into the game dragon. Preview, add child, and let me set the preview dragon here. And then I'll say if preview dragon does not equal null, single line because fancy. Preview dragon.queue_free. Preview.addChild preview dragon. Alright, does that do anything? Let me run through GDScript. What's up, Anonymo? I would play the guitar right now, but I feel like it's going to distract me, so I just need to I need to stare intensely into the monitor as it loads. Okay, well now I feel pressured into playing guitar. Here, I think I have the self-discipline to set it down as soon as it actually loads. Like, there's nothing else is gonna happen. I mean, logistically, you know. Wait. I feel like it's only one instrument. Like, my brain is thinking of ways I can turn this into like a full piece of music with like different instruments and stuff, but like I can only go so far. Do something fancy here. Hold on. It's still not loading. Too much clashing going on there. I only play single strings at a time. Okay. Start. Die. There's nothing there. Why not? When are the visual... Oh, right, because there's like a whole 3D thing going on here. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. uh, maybe if I add like a tail upgrade or something, I could see that, like the Morning Star. Well, I'm also not calling Recreate Preview. There's also like that going on. So you know what? Let me do that. There's two spots where we're calling sort positions. This is a recursive one. So I think we want to probably add it here. Will the upgrades be like processed at this point? Serialized. Not sure. Recreate preview. No errors though, because we weren't running the code. See, if you just never run any new code, you'll never get any errors. Okay. Well, let me place something down. Things are happening. Okay, let me try adding the Morningstar upgrade. No, but I have to apply the upgrades. Okay, what's going on with Game Dragon? What happens in the ready function? That's like the main thing I want to know. It seems really unlikely that we'll be able to do this in the time allotted, which is frustrating. I should do like a bonus Friday stream if I don't have enough time. Maybe I should just do that. We'll see what we can do. Process mode equals node dot process mode pausable. Is client dragon equals player multiplayer dot get unique ID. That physics process is client dragon. We could stand to have the physics process not running, I suppose. Recalculate chain. Parts.values. Huh. Where do we apply the upgrades? Oh. Well, where do we call start? Probably calling that from somewhere else. Yeah, if I go to game. Okay, maybe not game. Where is it being called from? I do not know. Oh, it's probably when we click the start button. Yeah, over here somewhere. No? What? Hold on. Okay, game data.localdragon.start. And then that is when we apply all of the upgrade nodes. So we might just be able to try calling start and see if we can add like a Morningstar upgrade and hope that nothing breaks. Okay. Preview dragon. Dot start. See if that does anything. Run project. Okay. Feature Morning Star. Are we getting anything? Not that I can see. I feel like it should be calling the function though. Oh god, we only have 13 minutes left. This is not good. This is bad. This is like, we are not making good time. Or, well, maybe we're being productive. It's just, we don't have enough time. Even with the high level of productivity. Who knows? Update normal. Set radius. What am I looking at? The upgrade node. UI. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. Doesn't seem to be adding the morning star. Okay, let me try testing something else. Recreate preview. Var bright equals bright 2d.new. Bright.texture equals, and I'm pretty sure we have a texture on here somewhere. Maybe it's in the node UI. Okay, let's load an image. Sure, we'll use gold. And then preview, add child, bright. Do we see it when we try running? We do, and it's centered. Okay, so part of this is working correctly. Wait, did it just add the chameleon tongue? Oh my god. Do we have to zoom out? What's happening? What the hell is going on here? Okay, there's hope. We have hope. 400 by 400. Everyone knows that's the best pixel resolution for this situation. Stop running the project. Do this. And it shouldn't be doing any physics processing because, you know, it's not, we didn't set the player. Unless they just happen to be the same. Okay, there's the gold. There's the chameleon tongue. There's the morning star. Okay, well, this is working. It works! We did it! Oh my god, no. We still need to get a 3D scene as well. That shouldn't be too difficult to do, though. Let's keep going. Let's get this centered. In fact, yeah, I don't know. I wanna center this. Yep, like that. And wait. Okay, I think it's centered. Um, Then I want to go to the scroll container. What the hell? It's not letting me change it. What is this? Follow focus? I don't think that's relevant. Oh, jeez. Okay, what if we increase the size of this for now to something crazy? This is a scroll container, though. I think we need like a custom minimum size. Yeah, 5,000 by 5,000. Center it. Oh my god. Where did our sub viewport container go? Container sizing, position. Ugh. Okay, well, I don't know if I want to do that. I'm trying to figure out how to center everything now at this point. For now, let's just put all of this in the center. That's already there. Can I control the scroll at least now? Now that I've done all of this? I'm definitely rushing right now. Yeah. Can I change this? Scroll container. Okay. Um. Yeah, we want to get it like approximately centered. So, well, not approximately. We want it to be as centered as mathematically possible. Can I do that? That may not necessarily actually center it the way that I want. I guess that's probably fine. We save the scene. I'll run it. And then whenever we sort positions, we'll just update all of this information manually. Run project. Did it reset the scroll? Okay. I also feel like I should rotate it. I don't know how it's going to map onto everything else, though. Probably best to rotate the camera. The camera's rendered view is not affected by... Okay. We don't want to ignore rotation. We want to set it to 90 degrees. We have 5 minutes left. Oh my god. We'll have a lot more time tomorrow. Oh god. Wait. Okay. Seems to have worked. Oh, we can apply the Drake body. But it doesn't have the tail for some reason. Maybe it's not snapping them into the right position. Perhaps. I'm not sure. Okay. A couple things. Let me get rid of the gold. And also, let me make the background transparent on this. Clear mode. I don't know. Transparent background. Okay. Cool. And this should be like the basis of it. The 2D side of things should be working now, and I'll fix whatever GDScript errors I may be getting after the fact. One second. All right. Okay, all right, let's see. Let's see what happens. Add a Morningstar upgrade. Whoa. Different body type. Chameleon tongue. This is the idea. I have to make it a lot better. But yeah, we would get like a preview in the middle of what the upgrades are gonna do. This is gonna have to be a pretty robust system though. Or a lot more robust than me just trying to quickly put all of this together. We still have a lot more to do. I'm really just trying to get it ready to have a Steam page up. Yeah. Would we be able to make the 3D side of things work? We would need like a different like sub viewport container for that, I think. Yeah. Well, I think we'll do that tomorrow. This is a short stream. I must end early. But I appreciate everyone who stopped in. I will be live tomorrow. We'll have a longer stream tomorrow. Get more done. But I guess we got like the very basic skeleton of this in. And it seems to be pretty stable for the amount of work I did, which is just ripping the Game Dragon out of the world and just putting it into a UI system and hoping it works. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So thanks again, everyone who stopped in. Thank you, Cricket. Thank you, Anonymous. Thank you, Dino. I will see you all tomorrow. Potentially Friday. I have to think about it. It's gonna depend on how much we get done on Thursday. Yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Take care. See you later.